Hello, Shemai everyone. My name is Ameer Davies-Rana and I work as a presenter. I work as a presenter across three sort of different branches or arms as it goes. First things first, I work as a media presenter for Regan Talent. And then I also run an independent business, well, my own business, going across Wales, touring schools, colleges, universities, brands and businesses, doing talks and presentations on the Welsh language. And finally, the third thing that I do is I also run an independent business, creating and producing promotional videos for, again, brands and businesses, but on a corporate level. The Welsh language has been very important to me. Well, to be honest, it hasn't even been important. It's been vital because it's opened so many doors for my career and it takes me further and further every single time. Fortunately, when I go to castings or auditions, having, myself being from a diverse background is also another thing. But the Welsh speaking has always stood out for employers. All in Cambria have given me the exclusive pleasure of announcing a vlog competition, and I'm here to give you some exclusive tips on how to produce and present the best vlog that you can possibly do. Hey, it's got to be mentioned first things first. The prize is to win £50. Yes, 5 of them, a few trips to Nando's, maybe get yourself a bit of clothes, pair of shoes. Pair of shoes these days are about £100. First things first, you're going to need some tips, of course, to get yourself started. So the main thing that you're going to need is a phone and a camera. Now then, don't use a potato. Don't use your granddad's Nokia brick. It's not going to work. Use a good digital camera, an iPhone, an iPad, anything generic with a decent camera. So the vlog needs to be with a good angle to create a good picture to make you look good. The next thing would be to have a good light. Natural light is the strongest light that we have, whether if it's from the sun, it can only come from the sun. Next tip is the sound. If we can't hear you, then again, what is the point of vlogging and creating a video? If we're recording with our phone on our hand, make sure our hand or our palm doesn't stop the speaker, which is easily done when you hold a phone on a landscape point of view as well. So make sure you don't block the speakers. That can be a pain if you've recorded a really, really good video and then you listen back to it and it's all dubbed out with the palm of your hand. The most important tip that I can give you, and it is energy. Energy sets the tone. Energy attracts your viewers. A lot of smiling and really change your tone. Keep it nice and enthusiastic. What you don't want is just a boring tone and you just blah, 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 blah. Keep it nice, keep it short and sweet and give it your best. Now then, as far as the rules go for this vlog competition, it's simple, but it does need to be in Welsh to your best level, of course. Now, Welsh doesn't have to be perfect. My Welsh as of today is very Wenglish, okay? So as far as the video goes, it needs to be between 3 minutes and 6 minutes on any topic or subject that is relevant to you or that you like. It can be sports, it can be fashion, cooking, eating, or it could be makeup, hair. It should be very creative. Give it your angle, your take, your version of it. And finally, don't not swear. No swearing. I know you college students get stressed, get annoyed, and might swear. I do, but I keep that off camera. Don't be political. No one wants to hear it, okay? So enjoy, good luck, and give it your best. And I'll be here to announce and judge all of the videos too. So give it your best.